What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. We're gonna be putting on a new front lip for the 335. So a company reached out to me, a company called NINTE. I believe that's how you say it. It's spelled N-I-N-T-E, NINTE. I'm guessing that's what it's called. I'll go ahead and throw up a picture of like their website and everything, and I'll go ahead and leave a link down below if you guys want to check out this front lip as well. They went ahead and sent me out this lip a while ago, but since I've been taking a break, I haven't been able to like put it on, and since my car wasn't wrapped, I haven't been able to put it on either. So today is the day we are finally putting on the front lip. So if you look over here, it looks really good because it's M Sport, but it is missing that like front lip down here, and the front lip would just totally complete the front end, I feel like, especially now that we have these gloss black grills. This lip should help the whole front end of the car. That's what I'm hoping for. So I actually already opened the box, and it came in two parts. So let me go ahead and take it out real quick. So here's what it's looking like. I went ahead and put it together. So pretty much what you have to do is you kind of have to like clip it in the front. And I don't know if it came with like the proper stuff. Yeah, okay, so here's the stuff. Here's the hardware that I was looking for. So looks like I'm gonna have to like screw in some parts together. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. But here's what it's looking like. So if you guys can kind of see what it would look like. It is like a matte black finish, so I don't know if I should paint it like gloss black, but I think for now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, see what it looks like, and if I want to, I'll take it off and paint it gloss black. But yeah, let's go ahead, put it together with like this hardware pieces, and then I'll go ahead and clean the front bumper, the part where it's gonna go on the lip. And it came with like, I don't know if you guys can see under there, but it came with like some 3M tape as well. So I'm hoping that will help stick it on, because I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I have to screw into the bumper. I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to do that, and I will let you guys know if that's what I have to do. Let's go ahead and put together this front lip and then put it on the car. I'm really excited, guys. Finally it's getting a lip, and huge shout out to NINTE, the company that sent it out to me. They've been very patient because of the whole like long 2-month break that I was taking. They've been very patient. They've been waiting a long time. So I'm finally getting to putting it on. So I'm excited. Alright guys, so far I went ahead and screwed in like some of the small ones into this part, like right in the middle, and then let me go ahead and turn it over so I don't scratch it, and then one right down in this spot right here. And so now it's like held together, so now I gotta figure out where I want to screw it into the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out real quick, show you guys the process. Wow guys, I just put it on and the fitment is actually really good. If I go ahead and push it up, the wrap is kind of peeling over there, so don't worry about that, but it fits really well. As long as I think I put the 3M tape on here and then like screw it in underneath, I think it's gonna be good to go, and it looks so good. Oh my goodness, it actually looks really good like this. Anyway, let me go ahead, take it back off, clean the front bumper, and then screw everything in, and then we should be good to go. And then we're gonna go ahead and go take some pictures of this. It's gonna look sick. I cannot wait to take some pictures of this and see how it turns out. Go ahead and show you where I screwed it in, like the lip where I screwed it in into the bumper. If you can see down here, there's like one spot. I ended up not doing this spot just because it was like moving the bumper right here inwards, so I didn't do that one, but I did right here, and then I skipped this one and I went to the one right in there, and then there wasn't any spot for it in the middle, and then pretty much just the same that I did on this side onto that side, and it's really sturdy, especially with the 3M tape right here. So this is not going to go anywhere at all, so I'm not worried about that at all. It's looking really, really good. The fitment is absolutely amazing. Super, super nice matte black finish. I'm really digging it for now. So yeah, guys, maybe let's go do a photo shoot with this, with the new lip, see how it turns out. I'm really excited to see how it looks on like a professional picture, so I'm really curious to see that. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into doing that. All right, guys, we are about to head out to the photo shoot location. I cannot wait to show you guys this lip, what it looks like with a professional camera. Maybe a little video, we'll see what happens, but let's go ahead and head over there. Alright guys, so we made it out to like the photo shoot location. So I got my camera over here on a tripod. This is a really cool spot over here. There's just like a random road, and there's like the main road over there. If you guys look right here, the lip just looks so amazing, just like this. Like, look how aggressive this looks, guys. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm thinking what I might do is I might do like a little quick cinematic video, like a little montage. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Hopefully it comes out good how I'm expecting it. If it's good, you guys are about to see it. If not, then I'll go ahead and show you guys right here. So yeah, the fitment is just absolutely insane. Looks so, so good on both sides. Fits the car perfectly. And it looks so good, just like this. Like, guys, look at this. Like, look at that, just like that. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the install of the lip. If you guys want to grab a lip just like this, go ahead, check out NINTE down below. I'm gonna have it in the description. This fitment for the price, I can't remember exactly how much it is for the lip, but the fitment is crazy good. You get this nice matte black finish. It completely changes the front end of the car. Just look at this, guys. Look how crazy this looks. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm so happy with how this came out. So definitely go grab one down below. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the description, like I said. Without further ado, make sure to check me out on Instagram. I'll leave it right over here. Make sure to subscribe down below and make sure to like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Without further ado, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car.